The AI revolution is in full swing, but with great power comes great vulnerability, and the latest trend in cybercrime is targeting the very foundation of enterprise AI by exploiting design flaws in large language models, or LLMs, and going after agents, RAG pipelines, and model routers. In the past 2 years, businesses have been scrambling to integrate LLMs into support, analytics, development, and internal automation, but it's clear that cybercriminals are taking advantage of the disconnect between assumptions about LLMs and their actual characteristics. This is a major concern because as AI technology advances, the potential for exploitation grows, and if left unchecked, it could have severe consequences for businesses and individuals alike. The reason this matters is that LLMs are becoming increasingly ubiquitous, and if hackers can find ways to exploit their flaws, it could lead to a wave of breaches and attacks that could be devastating. The fact that several independent sources have highlighted this trend in 2025 and 2026 suggests that it's a real and growing problem that needs to be addressed. As we move forward with AI adoption, it's essential that we prioritize security and find ways to mitigate these risks. Moving on to some exciting news from the world of AI, OpenAI has just unveiled its newest frontier AI model, the GPT-5.6 family, which comes in 3 variants: Sol, Terra, and Luna. These models are designed to tackle different types of tasks, from complex coding and security research with Sol, to high-volume business tasks like customer support and document analysis with Terra, and faster, lower-cost everyday work like summarization and drafting with Luna. What's interesting is that Sol and Terra set new high benchmark scores, while Luna performs near GPT 5.5 levels, suggesting that these models are a significant step forward in terms of capability and efficiency. The significance of this development can't be overstated. With these new models, businesses and individuals will have access to more powerful and flexible AI tools than ever before. The fact that OpenAI is only making these models available to limited preview partners for now suggests that they're still in the early stages of development, but it's clear that this is a major advancement that could have far-reaching implications for industries from tech to healthcare to finance. As we wait to see how these models will be used in the real world, it's exciting to think about the potential applications and innovations that could arise from them. Now, let's talk about the impact of AI on the workforce, specifically, how it's changing the role of engineers and product thinkers. According to a recent report, Anthropic's Claude Code has turned every engineer into 3, meaning that the company's engineering org is shipping at roughly 3 times its actual headcount. This is a remarkable achievement, and it suggests that AI is having a profound impact on productivity and efficiency. However, it also highlights a new challenge. With engineers able to produce more, the bottleneck is shifting from the development process to the people deciding what to build. This is why Anthropic is hiring more product managers, not fewer, because they need people who can think strategically about what products to build and how to prioritize features. This is a structural shift in the way companies operate, and it's one that could have far-reaching implications for the tech industry and beyond. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see more companies facing this challenge, and it will be interesting to see how they adapt and evolve to meet the changing needs of the market. In other news, a new startup called acces is trying to solve a very specific problem: the fact that Robotaxis have to drive miles just to get cleaned and charged. This may seem like a minor issue, but it's a major challenge for companies that are trying to operate fleets of autonomous vehicles. acces has raised $10 million to develop a solution to this problem, and it will be interesting to see how they approach it. As the autonomous vehicle market continues to grow, we can expect to see more startups and companies tackling the logistical challenges that come with it. Finally, let's talk about autonomous security agents, specifically, the need for complete data to ensure that they're working effectively. A recent report found that 12.7% of devices in a median inventory are missing their expected security agent, which is a staggering statistic. This highlights the need for companies to have complete visibility into their security operations, and to be able to identify gaps and vulnerabilities in their systems. As we move forward with autonomous security agents, it's essential that we prioritize data completeness and accuracy to ensure that these systems are working as intended. As we wrap up today's show, the future of AI and cybersecurity is looking more complex than ever, and one thing is certain: the next big breakthrough in AI will come with its own set of unique challenges and vulnerabilities.